Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Stay tuned to see how I created these beautiful passion twists. For this style, I'll be using the Passion Twist braid by Ali Tress. I believe that my cousin bought this from the beauty supply store, so you should be able to find it at your local beauty supply store. We'll be using this color in 1B and this beautiful purple ombre color that she found as well. And as usual, I'm using the Shine and Jam gel just to tame those roots and keep those flyaways at bay. You see what I did there? Alright, and when you open up your package, you're going to see that the hair comes in individual twists. Just unravel those twists so that you get one long portion of hair. Once you're through, it should look pretty much like this. I suggest running your hands down the length of the hair just to open it up a bit. And I'm going to be using the invisible method for putting in twists. So instead of braiding the extension onto the root, I'm doing this invisible method. I'm going to give you guys a close-up view of exactly what I'm doing in this next clip. So let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. All right, so we'll put the Shine and Jam gel right onto the root. Get your hair ready. You're gonna split it into 2 sections. 1, 2. With your right hand, you're going to twist the hair around the extension. So I'd say you would roll it towards yourself. Yeah. And on the left section, you roll it away from yourself. So right section toward, left section away, and then you cross them around each other and continue to twist as normal. Initially, I'm rope twisting and then I switch over to regularly twisting. Now here, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing with her ends. Since they're colored, I don't want them to show up too much, so I'm trying to disguise them into this hair. I try to spread the extension hair out more to cover her roots. I hope I explained that correctly. And then continue to twist as normal. I'm also not twisting all the way to the ends because I want the ends to be a little curly, just like that. Now, just to show you guys just how long this hair is, it's 22 inches. But don't get intimidated. Anything is possible, my friend. Anything is possible. Ran out of the Shine and Jam gel, so I'm using the Maurice Edge Wax Extreme Hold instead. And I actually like this. This was actually my OG product to go to when I was braiding hair, and I strayed away from it. But I think I might be going back, you guys. I may do a video on my thoughts on which product I feel is better for braiding, for me at least.
from the moment. The cost of love is much, much more than what is spoken. Take my heart and soul and frame it in this moment. You got me going, you got me going, you got me going, going on and on. You got me going, you got me going, you got me going, going on and on. Show me how to love you, don't hold nothing back from me.
Now you just want to finish up your look by finessing those edges. I'm still using the Marie's wax since, like I said before, I ran out of the Shine and Jam gel. And she can lay her edges as she pleases once she leaves my presence. I loved working with this hair. It's super soft and bouncy, but not as springy as the spring twists. And it's just beautiful. It took us about 6 to 7 hours to do this, so cancel all your plans if you plan on doing this style. Let me know below if you plan on trying out this style for the summer or if you already have. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!